Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and welcome to Bridlington Railway Station, a fine example of an Edwardian railway station. This was rebuilt in 1912 from the original station from 1846. And as we have a look around, you'll see some of the original features of this station. It was redesigned by William Bell in 1912. And the map on the wall there has been put back together, almost like a jigsaw, having been previously destroyed. You can imagine going back many years before package holidays and people travelling abroad, when this station would have been a hub of busyness, with holidaymakers travelling to the coast here in Bridlington in East Yorkshire. And as we walk around, you'll see plaques on the wall and some plants as well. This station's won many awards for its flowers, which is blooming marvellous. And some of the old station buildings there, and some of the plaques. There's a statue here as well of the Barrow Boy, which we'll show you in just a moment, and then we'll head on to the platform itself. And it looks like there was an air raid here in 1940, and many people awarded the George Cross for their bravery. Nice station this, isn't it? You can imagine going back all them years. And here's the Barrow Boy statue. We'll have a look at that. Very nice. I like the look of the old booking office in the corner there. You can imagine queues of people buying tickets after the holidays and travelling home. And a few of those old railway posters on the wall. I've got a book somewhere of old railway posters. No doubt Bridlington featured heavily. And this is on the way out again of the station, not far from the town centre and from the beaches and the leisure facilities. Welcome to Bridlington. And let's head on to the station itself, to the platforms. There's a lift, some vending machines. Shame they didn't have a little cafe. It would be nice to sit there with a cup of tea. Some of these old station buildings there. Fascinating, and a bit of a modern touch there with the electronic information board and disabled toilets and baby changing facilities. The wrought iron and glass roof canopies, and these lovely steps. Very nice. Look at that down there as you look down. It's great that this has been maintained, and it is a grade 2 listed building as well. This station not as busy as it used to be. Just a couple of platforms now. And I look back at the station building, and there's a seagull sat there, just watching the world go by. And there's not much happening here at Bridlington Station at the moment. Just a few people waiting for the next train. And that's almost it from this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. And please don't forget to check out my other videos and like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And please, if you want to, comment below. Thanks for watching.